Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this perfect, delicious, inviting and soft Nigerian akara. If you're ready to see how I got this recipe, how I made this akara, stay tuned. Let's get started with this recipe. So guys, today I'm going to be using my already peeled beans. I have another akara recipe in there. I did use my black-eyed beans. You can see how to wash your beans there. I'm going to be dropping the link on the description box and on the comment section. I'm going to pin it at the top. So I'm just going to put in my already peeled beans in a bowl and put enough water to soak the beans for about an hour or two, so it will be very easy for me to blend it into a smooth paste. So when my beans have been soaked for some hours, I'm just going to use my hand to carefully take off any extra little particles from the beans and give it a rinse. I'm going to drain off the water till my water is clean. So this is how my beans look like right now, and I'm going to start blending. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using: salt, 3 tablespoons of crayfish, onion, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. So I will start by adding my washed beans into the blender with the onion and pepper. And at this point, you're going to make sure you add very little amount of water because you need your paste to be thick. You don't need your paste watery. So you're going to add a very little tiny amount of water, and you're going to start blending your beans little by little to help your blender work it properly. And if you notice it's not blending, you can add a little bit drop of water to make it work out. So I'm done blending the first batch. I'm just going to continue blending the other parts of the beans. And at this moment, I'm going to say thank you for clicking on my video. You're so welcome. My name is Lydia Isaac. Please don't forget to subscribe so you'll be part of the family. Click on the bell icon so you will never miss any of my uploads. So at this point, you're going to get your vegetable oil and you're going to put it in your pot, and make sure you do have enough oil to fry your beans. So at this point, I just added a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to use my whisk to whisk this flour, this beans, into a very fluffy and smooth paste. I'm going to whip these beans for about 2 minutes or 3. I'm just going to keep on whisking it to have that fluffy and smooth paste. While I'm doing that, my oil is on the fire heating up. So I'm done whisking, and guys, you need to taste if you have enough salt. If not, you can definitely add more. So I'm just trying to see if my oil is hot, and as you can see, it is, because at the drop of the beans you can see it went up straight. That shows your fire is hot. So I'm going to start dropping in a spoon of the beans. You can see the first one I did and the second one I'm going to do. You can see it did not form into that nice shape because my spoon was not down to the pot of the oil. So you need to make sure your spoon goes straight closely to the oil. Not all of the spoon, but make sure your beans go straight inside your pot of hot oil. And at this point, you need your fire to be on a medium heat so your akara will not get burnt while the inside is still not cooked. Okay, so when I'm done putting all my akara in the pot, I'm going to start using my spoon to flip it to the other side. I did lost that clip. I'm so sorry guys. but you don't need to overcrowd your akara. You need to have enough space so it will have time and enough space to fry without sticking together. So you can see the akara is well cooked. It is golden brown, smooth. Guys, I'm going to show you how this akara look like. Just take a very good look. You can see how smooth, nice, and I bet you the taste is brain busting, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And guys, you can use this to rock your agege bread, your sliced bread, akamu, custard. Anything can go with this delicacy, guys. That's my custard there, and I'm going to be dropping the recipe of how to make your nice thick and light custard. Okay, thank you very much, my beautiful people. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, liking. Till I see you again, to have a lovely day. Remain blessed. Bye.